Hey travelers, do you hate the passport renewal process? Great news! US citizens can now renew passports online. With just a few clicks, you can renew your passport. No more paperwork required. Step 1. Check if you're eligible to renew online. This is a crucial step to ensure you don't waste any time. You need to be at least 16 years old, have your most recent passport handy, and it must have been issued within the last 15 years. Also, it should be undamaged and in your current name, unless you have legal documentation for a name change. This ensures that your identity is verified correctly. You must be a US citizen living in the US and not planning any international travel within the next 5 weeks. All set? Great! Step 2. Head over to the MyTravelGov website. If you don't have an account, create one. It's quick and easy. Just follow the prompts and you'll be set up in no time. If you already have an account, just log in. Follow the instructions to verify your identity. They've made it super straightforward. Step 3. Once you're logged in, find the passport renewal section. This is where you'll start the actual renewal process. You'll need to fill out the online form. It's Form DS-82 for renewals. Make sure all your information is accurate and up to date. Double-checking your details can save you from potential delays. Accuracy is key here. Step 4. Next up, you'll need a recent passport photo. It should be 2 inches by 2 inches in size, with a full face, front view, and a plain white or off-white background. Upload the digital photo in the specified format, usually JPEG, between 2 to 5 MB. This ensures that your photo meets the required standards. Step 5. Now, it's time to pay the renewal fee. You can do this online using a credit or debit card. Check the current fee on the US Department of State's website to make sure you're all set. Step 6. Before you hit submit, review your application carefully. Make sure everything looks good and there are no errors. Once everything looks good, submit it. You'll receive a confirmation email right after. Step 7. After submitting, you can track the progress of your application through your MyTravelGov account. Keep an eye on it to see when your new passport is ready. Currently, the online renewal option might not be available to everyone due to program limitations. If you find you're not eligible, you'll need to mail in your renewal using the DS-82 form instead. That's it. Renewing your passport online is super efficient and a real time saver. No more waiting in long lines or dealing with paperwork. Remember, staying on top of your passport's validity can save you from last-minute stress. Renewing online is a convenient way to ensure you're always ready for your next adventure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips and tricks. Safe travels, everyone!